Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friend, today in this video I will solve your mobile phone hanging problem by using three ways, three tricks I will show you in this video. So if in your MI mobile phone your mobile phone get hanged, then you can solve this type of problem at home. So first of all I will show you that I am using MI mobile phone. For that I am going to settings, about phone, and here you can see that I am using MI mobile phone. So in this mobile phone, if your mobile phone get hanged, so first things you have to observe your mobile phone. Is your mobile phone getting more hotter, creating more heat? You have to observe from back side of your mobile phone. If this is the region, then this is the first region your mobile phone can get hanged. So if in your mobile phone you are facing this problem, then this problem might be, friends, due to moisture in your mobile phone. So what you have to do, you have to keep your mobile phone in direct sunlight for 3-4 hours, so that if any moisture inside your mobile phone, actually friend, what's happen, if moisture in air can enter in your mobile phone. So if in air there is more moisture, then the moisture can enter in your mobile phone and can enter in any IC and creating a short circuit. This moisture can create a short circuit, because you know the water is a good conductor of electricity. So this moisture can create the short circuit between two positive negative terminal inside in any IC and start creating heat inside that IC, and that heat affect the IC performance and may damage the IC also, and also affecting the other ICs nearby, so that your mobile phone will start getting hanged and behaving separately. So what you have to do, you have to put your mobile phone inside direct sunlight. If your mobile phone get heated due to moisture, then this problem will get solved. If your mobile phone get heated due to other IC problem, other short circuit in your mobile phone, but due to not moisture, due to other region, some resistor capacitor is get damaged in your, due to that the short circuit is happened, then you cannot do anything at home. So the first reason is moisture. If in moisture in your mobile phone, then put your mobile phone in heat, so that if your heating problem gets solved, then your mobile phone hanging problem will also get solved. So this is the first reason. The second things, you have to check your mobile phone. If you have updated your mobile phone, and after updating your mobile phone, your mobile phone start get hanging, then the updates may be the problem. But how you can confirm? You have to check your RAM status, how much RAM is used by your updated software. RAM means your system software. So for that you have to check your RAM status, and where you can check RAM status in your MI mobile phone, I will show you. You have to go to your mobile phone settings, and then you have to go to about phone, last one option, about phone, and inside the about phone you have to click on this build number. The last one option, you can see the build number. You have to click on this build number 6-7 times. After that your developer option will be enabled. So after enabling the developer option, you have to go to the developer option, and in my mobile phone this developer option is inside the settings. So open the settings and click on this advanced, and here I am getting this developer option, and inside the developer option, if I am opening, you have to go to this running services. Just open this running services, and here the first one option where I am clicking, the system is written there. My system is using 1.5 GB RAM, which is normal. If your mobile phone is using the same RAM, in your mobile phone your system is using the same RAM, then your system your mobile phone is not getting hanged due to your software update. If this is around 2.5 GB 1.5 and around is normal. If 2.5 and around, then your mobile phone is getting hanged due to this system software which you have updated. So what you have to do, first thing, you have to reboot your mobile phone. You have to switch off your mobile phone and again switch on your mobile phone and come back to this location again and see the system RAM status here. If this is come down to 1.5 and around, then that is normal. If again showing 2.5 something, then you have to do the factory reset. There is no any other option to reduce the RAM usage by the system, so you have to do the factory reset, so that which software system software you have updated, that will become to factory reset. So this is the second. And the third, if your RAM is in system is using normal RAM, means 1.5 and around, which is normal, then the third reason may be any app which is affecting your mobile phone. So here down below you can see the list of apps which are presently running and using the RAM is here. If any app is using around 100, 200, 300, up to 300 is normal. If any app is using 1 GB, 1.2 GB, 1.3 GB, like your games, big games are using more RAMs. So basically you have to switch on one by one apps and come here and see apps, which apps are using more RAM. Means if any app is using RAM in GBs, then you have to uninstall that app, because that app is the main reason to hang your mobile phone. So in my mobile phone, as you can see, all apps are using around 100, 122, 73, 78, like this. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.